What's that, my people? So it's your boy ChanceJolivette, aka Smooth, back with another video today. I know this is a sneaker channel, so I ain't been doing too many sneakers, like talking about it like individual reviews and stuff. So I had to come at you today with something. So these actually dropped today on the sneakers app and stuff. They probably in the mall or whatever. But my homeboy, he had early access to these, so gonna be able to bring you this review. Let's get into it, man. I already showed you in the B-roll what these are. So these things right here, the Jordan 4 Crimson. So, or you could say the Red Thunders. So this is how they go right there. You can look at the information. Look at the information on them teams. This right here. What do y'all think about these? First thing they come to mind with these is I remember they had the OVO 4s, the Raptor 4s or whatever, the Drake joints. They remind me a little bit of those. But they got this, it's a very flat, smooth, I would say maybe new buck. But I seen other reviews and they were talking about it's not suede, it's not new buck, it's something else. But you see, it's a very plain shoe. But I say, man, if you want these, probably jump on these ASAP, because the numbers on here is stupid. Like, I just checked these on StockX and stuff, and they already $300 something. It's possible they might drop, and it's possible they might still have some in your local mall or something. I don't know if these will be sleepers or not, but if people see that these are $300 shoes, these will not last. So if you have access to these, if you can get these, you better get them quick. If you can't get them for retail, get them for retail. They might have a restock or something. Well, you know, they will have restocks or whatever. But you see, Jordan 4 got that flat material. It can get ashy. So these right here, there's something you're gonna have to watch. Man. Just wear dress purposes and stuff. If you're gonna be around dusty areas and stuff, don't rock these right here if you're gonna be walking around out in all kind of dust and whatever. Got that Jumpman, that flight right there. In the back of the tongue, they have that upside down Air Jordan. You know how they do. On the back, they have the Jumpman. They don't have the Nike Air in the back or anything. It's Jumpman out. Got that netting on the side with that crimson. The crimson and them crimson hits all on the eyelets and stuff. Black laces, man. They got them hits on the side. You look and you see in the air unit, you got a little whiteness and stuff in there. Let's get to the sole of the shoe. Got herringbone traction, like in different patterns and stuff, but it's herringbone. You know, the regular Jordan 4 shit. Black and a little hits of crimson. This shoe, it comprises of black, crimson, and a little dash of white. It is not a whole lot to the shoe, but it is something that it's gonna flood the hoods. People will have this shoe, man. This shoe will be in abundance. Sometimes, in some instances, you will have to pay to play. Like, you're gonna have to pay to get these in hand. They come with the cardboard inserts and stuff. In the inside, let me see if you want to see the inside. They got a white Jumpman, got the sticker and stuff. This right here is a size 10. Shit, the wind is I'm doing what I can. The wind is blowing and shit. The wind is, but the lighting in the crib is a little shaky. So I voted for better lighting versus being in the wind or whatever. It's cold as shit. But let y'all see these, man. What do y'all think of these? Do y'all want these, man? Is it something you tried to get? But happy I was able to bring these. I'm not gonna put these on feet. These joints not mine and stuff. So, but just able to bring y'all this, man. Let y'all see as y'all see and stuff, man. Let me get up out this cold. I do have some other shoes I'm gonna be reviewing as well, man. So I'm gonna be dropping these. If I don't drop these all on the same day and you see me with the fit, I did these all on the same day. I'm not dressing in the same shit for different days. But anyways, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest or the most hated. Shit, holla at your boy. Peace.